Hello, good night everyone. It's time for sleep around 10:30 p.m. Nearly midnight, but I need to take time to improve my photography skill. So it's already quiet here. I think most people are sleeping now, and my house on the roadside. So I hear some vehicles in front of my house, and I have this bread. I think look delicious, and I love the topping, the cheese and sausage, I guess, the brown one here. And I love the color combination, I love the texture, and I'm going to photograph using this Nikon D5200 and also kit lens. I'm going to explore photographing this from many angles and also different compositions. And yeah, I think more practice will improve my photography skill. And also I will sell the photograph to microstock later. Okay, let's start now. Yeah, I think enough. So I need to go to bed now because I'm working in the morning tomorrow until afternoon. Okay, bye.